arbitrationagreements.org. If you have ever found yourself in a disagreement or dispute, you might have wondered, should I arbitrate or litigate? Today we are diving deep into the world of dispute resolution. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. First things first, let's clarify these two terms. The word arbitrate means to resolve a dispute or disagreement through a neutral third party, known as an arbitrator, outside of the courts. Meanwhile, the word litigate means to take a dispute or disagreement to court to be decided by a judge or jury. Now here is a fun fact. Did you know that according to a study, around 80% of companies have used or might consider using arbitration to resolve a dispute? That is a significant number. Arbitration often saves time. Court proceedings can stretch for months or even years, but arbitration can be concluded in just a few weeks or months. Time is money, and this brings us to our next point. Arbitration is often less expensive than litigation. Courts can be costly with various fees, and the longer it stretches, the more expensive it becomes. Privacy is another huge benefit of arbitration. Court hearings are public. Everyone can know your business. But arbitration, it is confidential. The details stay between the involved parties. Lastly, a recent study showed that about 65% of respondents believe that the outcome of arbitration is equivalent to or better than court outcomes. And the best part, our association provides local arbitrators who are experts in resolving disputes. So if you are looking for a more efficient, cost-effective, and private way to handle disagreements, consider arbitration and visit our website, arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You are paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That is the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Do you agree that it's very much superior to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.